All right, who do we have here today?
Jack
and
Renee.
What are we doing, ladies?
Skydiving!
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers, huh?
Yeah.
You trust your guy to throw you out of an airplane?
Yeah. Sure do.
You're crazy. You trust me to throw you out?
Yeah.
You're nuts. Whose idea was this?
Mine.
So it's your fault that this goes wrong and we don't make it to your next birthday. Any last words, final comments, confessions, in case we don't?
Nope.
For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, tablet, phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have everything else. Let's go rock a skydive, ladies. Here we go. That was weak.
I know it was.
That was better. Yeah.
Woo!
All right. Ready for this?
Ready.
Get in, get out of this thing. You're having fun in the sky.
We're ready.
Crazy. High five. High five.
Hey,
Don't
keep
leave
it
it.
hanging.
Oh yeah. You gotta keep an eye out for the high five. There's a lot of them. Okay. All the way down, smile for the camera. Yeah! Nice. Want to go again?
Oh, give me a minute.
Pretty good. Good ride.
Is that Renee over there?
That's them right there. All right, what do you think of that,
That was
Jackie?
awesome. Really
Had fun,
awesome.
huh?
Like way better than I expected.
Yeah, that's what everybody usually says.
Yeah.
You doing that again?
Sure.
Next time, same for everybody. You can play with my balls too, okay?
Okay.
Just gotta remind me.
See
Come back to see me
later.
again.
Okay.
Skydive Colorado
Thanks,
Springs.
Yako.
Thank you.